Hey, good afternoon. This is Chuck Russell again from Kolay. Right now what I want to do is introduce to you the flooring that we're going to be putting in the garage. This is our woven vinyl product. This particular style here is called the puzzle lock. What it does is it allows the systems to lock together. Make sure you order enough. Like carpet, to get an exact match to try to lace some more in can be very difficult. So make sure you order enough material. It's going to look beautiful. All right guys, well let's get started. When we get ready to check our subsurface, you want to go through and you want to scrape anything that's sticking up, get it as flat and as clean as possible for the best adhesion. We're going to run our puzzle lock into a P channel. We're going to cut these lugs off right on the straight line. We'll cut them all the same direction. If for any reason we were going to alternate or checkerboard our pattern, we'd have to cut half of them one way, half the other way, so we'd have that pattern. We'll figure out our layout to the edge. This will tuck underneath the riser on the step, and this will go along the edge of the landing here. We're going to lay this out because it'll all snap together. Our pattern and our floor is all going down. You look at those lines. Now if I throw this one up here, you can see that the pattern is going this way now. You can make it look however you want. Like that, like that. Okay, so right here what we're doing is we're test fitting our P channel. It's P because it's got a bull-nosed edge. So we're gonna get this fit. The idea is to keep the reveal in this concrete as straight as we can. Now we're just gonna try to cut this in as tight to the wall as we can. So sometimes you get these little pieces, fibers sticking up, no big deal. What we're gonna do is take this heat gun. If you watch them, see them shrink up? Now you see them, now you don't. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take the caulking gun, we're gonna run our bead of our glue in here, then we're gonna trowel it out. We use the polyurethane, it's very strong. We just do it out of a tube, so sometimes it's much cleaner. Putting the nosing in here. Try to keep everything clean. Just slide right over the top of the edge. We're using tape just to hold everything together. Silicones or other adhesive, unless it's super fast drying, it won't dry fast enough, and if it moves, come back in, it'll be crooked. So hopefully, tape it together, it won't move. Okay guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you learned a little bit more about Kolay's products and how they go as far as an install. If you have any questions, please go to kolayflooring.com.